Welcome back, KK4 community. In today's video we cover how to stay safe in crypto, avoid scams and protect your KK4, common crypto scams to watch out for, fake airdrops or token giveaways, phishing links that look like real sites, impersonator accounts pretending to be trusted projects, malicious dApps asking for wallet access, pump and dump tokens with no real utility. How to stay safe? Always double check links. Never click random DMs. Only use trusted wallets like Solflare. Never share your private key or seed phrase. Use a cold wallet if holding large amounts. Follow only official project accounts like KK4. How KK4 ensures safety. Built on Solana, secure and low fee. Transparent contracts and real utility. Active, verified social media presence. Airdrops done through official website and clear instructions. Strong community moderation to filter fake accounts. Final safety tips? Be cautious. Educate yourself. Bookmark the official KK4 website https://kk4.live. Drop your Solflare wallet only under our verified posts to earn your daily 1000 KK4 safely.